Hi, let me show you how you can customize tab groups in Safari on iPhone 16e. So firstly, we are gonna open Safari, and right now you need to click on this icon with two squares to find your tabs. So this is your start page. On the bottom you should see it like start page. And if you created tab groups, then you can swipe left and find them right here by name. So I created this group named tutorial. We can tap right here on those three lines and choose new empty tab group and create even more. You can click also on start page, tap here and do the same from here. And also you can select your tab group, tap on three lines and choose to add it. Here you can click on three dots. You can rename it, share, delete. Also, you can move it. And now let's tap done. And what you can do as well here is you can click share icon and send it to any social media. And also you can create new page here in your tab group. Select it. Then here click to edit it. You can enable tab group favorites. And you can basically customize it. For example, you can change background like that. And now let's close it. So this is how it looks now. And my start page looks the same as it was before. And this one looks like that. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.